I have 6 beautiful, good business ideas that can make you a millionaire right here in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world. In this 2022, you want to know about it? Yes, so let's get into it. Hi there, I hope you're doing well. My name is Leo Wanze, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 6 good business ideas that is capable of making you a millionaire right here in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world this year 2022. I know you want to bam, you want to be chilling with the big guys, so without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. First is digital marketing. Good. Digital marketing. More businesses are embracing the internet. More businesses are moving online. They need visibility. They need sales. They need help with their marketing. They need growth. Now, here is where you come in. You can choose an area of digital marketing and offer your service in that area. You can choose to become a social media marketer. In social media marketing, you can choose to be Facebook ad expert, Twitter ad expert, Instagram ad expert, LinkedIn ad expert, email marketer, or even WhatsApp marketer. And believe me, you will be killing it and you will be making your money. Second one is information marketing. You can become a millionaire by creating a product out of your knowledge and offering your solutions to those who need it. It could be ebook, it could be audiobook, it could be video course, and so on. Just do it and you will be making a whole lot of money in this year. It could be how to play piano. It could be you are an expert on digital marketing, you are an expert in Facebook ad, Twitter ad, or Google ad. Anyone, just create a course out of it, post it there online, and you'll be making a killing. You'll be making a whole lot of money on a daily basis. Create a course out of anything you know. It could be how to last long in bed. It could be how to cure mouth odor, body odor. It could be foods you have to be eating to keep a healthy breast for female. So on. Just do it and believe me, you'll be killing it and you'll be making a whole lot of money this year. Third one is crypto trading. Cryptocurrency trading has made many young people millionaires in different countries of the world. But wait, before venturing into this business, I highly recommend that you stick for education to avoid the story that touches the heart and tickles the bum bum. You're welcome. The fourth one is affiliate marketing. This simply means promoting other people's products and get paid an agreed commission. It could be physical products, it could be digital products. Do it, promote other people's products and get an agreed commission, and boom, you will be making a living. You will be killing it. You will be making your money. If you are getting value in this video, I would want you to do one simple thing for me, which is totally free. I want you to book the like button so this video can spread to more awesome people just like you. Fifth one is one product e-com store. This simply means focusing on a particular product, channeling your attention and energy towards selling and promoting this particular single hot product and being known for it. Remember, I said hot product. You don't just get any product, put it online and expect it to be doing well. Make sure you get a hot product or a trending product. Put it out there and you'll be killing it. It could be car gadgets, it could be phones, it could be phone pouch that has, it could be designer phone pouch that has name on it, and at the night it will be glowing. Get a sweet hot product, put it out there and be selling it. Put your energy and effort in promoting it and being known for it, and believe me, you'll be making it. You'll be killing it. The last one is local arbitrage. Yeah, this is the business of buying a hot product offline or online and be selling it online to be making a good profit. Yeah, so in this business, you are not limited to a particular product. Remember, the last one I mentioned is a one product e-com store. So you are limited to a particular product, but in this local arbitrage, you are not limited to a particular product. You just have to get a hot products either offline or online and be selling it online. You can go to AliExpress and get a cheap product there, get an account with Jumia or get an account with Gigi and put this product out there and be selling it. Remember, you don't just put out any product there, you just have to get a hot or a trending product and put it out there and be making a killing. You can get an account with Facebook, create an account with Instagram, put this product out there, sell it, and you'll be making a whole lot of profit. Guys, in a particular product, you might be making a profit of 10,000 naira in a particular product. Imagine when you sell this product to 500 persons. Guys, 500 persons, 10,000 naira into 500, guys, will be making 5 million naira, guys. Boom, 5 million naira, guys, in a particular product. Finally, guys, if you really enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section by typing yes Leo I did. And in my next video, I'll be talking about this particular business that can be making you 700 to 800,000 naira monthly. We've neglected this business, but people are doing it and they are making a whole lot of money. So if you don't want to miss this video, I want you to do one thing for me, which is free. Click on that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification icon so you don't get to miss this video when I post it. Peace out.